All right, y'all. Welcome back to another Powerstroke video. Today, we're fitted. You see this? Oh, baby. Oh, what y'all think, man? Oh, yeah. You want me to fix something for you? I got you. Anyway, what we're doing today is we are replacing a EGT sensor coming off the passenger side manifold on my black truck. And here's what we got. Is there a part number there? Part number might be flipped around, but basically we're gonna show you replacing this EGT probe. We're gonna show you bench testing it. We're gonna use ohm. We're gonna use a meter. We're gonna ohm it out. We're gonna show you what you're supposed to have, what you're not supposed to have. And we also have a different one of these plates, which the one I have on there is shit in Chinese. So I got a nice one now. And yeah, so we're gonna show you doing this. This is the first part of the day. Probably gonna do a bunch of videos today, but you know, you guys will see them separately. But I'll still be wearing this same uniform, you know what I'm saying? It's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, we're gonna fucking get right into it, y'all. So guys, what you're seeing is 2300 degrees. So obviously I know my sensor's bad. So I had this happen about a couple weeks ago, and I'm just cycling back and forth. You know, 12 and 13 you're not going to see, but obviously you're not supposed to be seeing 2300. All right, y'all, so the truck is hot as fuck right now. Look at that shitty Chinese shit right there, man. The fucking plate's all fucked, sensor. But we're going to show you popping them 8 millis out right now. Get the truck hot as fuck. And we got hammer, extension, and luckily these have been out before, so hopefully they shouldn't give me an issue. So let's get it. You guys can obviously tell these have been out before, so man, let's say a prayer. Ooh. I will tell you guys this, if not, I do have the Pro Max kit. Do I want to use it? No. Will I? Obviously, yes. That's like butter. Butter better not snap on me though. Okay guys, let's try this one. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh. Man, we're feeling good. But that's usually how it gets you guys. You start feeling good, and then you don't feel good. That's way too easy, man. You know what? Was I smart and cleaned the threads up last time? I'm thinking so. Oh, baby. And guys, that's why. So basically what I did was I sprayed them down before I drove. And like these were out about a year ago. So I mean, it ain't too crazy, but you definitely want to soak them. I drove it. I got it hot. I was on soot patrol. And obviously you seen me. Ooh, don't do that. I don't think my hammer action really did anything. But that one does look like it's spinning a little fucking weird. But that's alright. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I love it. I fucking hate that song. But anyway, that's all I'm going to film for you guys with this. So I think mission was success. I don't want to fly the coop here, but you guys can see what I'm operating with. I think we're looking all right. And I'm not gonna be able to touch this fucker because I know it is fucking hot as fuck. And these are titanium bolts, so I don't think they're magnetized. So I'll go grab a pickup tool to get them out. But man, oh yeah. So guys, I even think the weld broke around this shitty plate. This is a Chinese one. fucking failed me. Sensor failed, so we're gonna show you a test and everything, bench testing, and we're gonna get this bad boy out. So yeah, guys, peace. So we're gonna show you a little benchtop test here. So obviously, this is what it's supposed to look like with the probe on the end. So this is brand new from Ford, Fomoco. There's your part number in case you're wondering. This is 17 and up, Super Duty. New plate. And like I said, you guys see my Easy Link, I lost a reading. Yep, I definitely lost a reading. Obviously, you see what we're supposed to look like here. That fucker snapped right off. So we're going to show you with the multimeter, just testing these just to show you. I mean, obviously, we see the problem already, but we're going to show you just to see what you want to see. So you're going to go on continuity. We're going to check it for ohms, and we'll show you here on the camera what we're getting. All right. So it's going to take you 2 probes. This is the new one. I'm a little shaky. Drank too much caffeine. Let's see. Should be nothing. Okay, so 220. And that's, yeah, 220 ohms. So you should be seeing anywhere up to like 1,000 with a sensor like this. So anywhere from, 50 to 1,000 maybe. So right there, 220. That's what we're getting. Ohms. So that's the good one, obviously. So the one that's messed up, I don't think it's going to give us a reading. 13. 13.9, 14. And that's, yeah, so this is dead. So the way I have my meter set, that's in kiloohms right there. So that's 14 kiloohms, or kiloohms, I don't know how to say it. 14 kiloohms, and then you had 200 ohms in that one. So obviously right there, even if I was going to, before I unbolted it, just test it, that's your test right there that shows you it's bad. So we're going to slap it back in, we'll show you that, and we'll call it a day. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Y'all seen that, didn't you? Fucking jumped like a little girl. Anyway, so we're gonna slap this bad boy back on there. Whew. This sucker's hot, man. It's not this that's hot, it's everything I'm touching around it, obviously. So it's got me all booted up. Which I don't want to be booted up, but hey, it is what it is. You'll have that on them big jobs. These bolts. I should see if I got new bolts. But we'll see how these fuckers go in. If they want to go in all right. If they go in all right, we'll leave them. I mean, I've already, obviously you guys seen how easy they came out. So obviously I've already cleaned them up before, prior to doing this. This is such a scary job. Hate doing this. You guys like replacing this stuff? I mean, when it goes like this, I don't mind it, but it's still freaking scary. Just because it's so, you don't want to snap anything. Because I actually have snapped one of these before, and I didn't have the Pro Max kit at first. And literally, luckily I had my welder, and I had to fucking weld a nut. And luckily I got that off, man. It took me like an hour, back and forth, back and forth. It's nice and easy. But this plate's not gonna give us a problem like that other one. Other Chinese bullshit. We got the goods, we got the sauce now. Oh yeah. We got the real sauce factory going on over here. God, these things scare me. Well, I take it back. We can't be scared, y'all. We just gotta fucking get after it. We just gotta do what Powerstroke and us does. Powerstroke does, not us. Yeah, I don't want to get too crazy, but you guys might see me snap one on camera. Hopefully not. All right, y'all, we're calling it a job done right there. can't see, but we're gonna plug my sensor back in. If I could even see. Even I can't see. Damn hot engine got me sweating. Yep, that's it. She's in. Because if I press down on that, she wants to come out. Hear that click? Good to go, y'all. That's it. Say, job well done, Powerstroke Rick. That was a quick little install right there. There we go. Ooh, I'm zoomed in. Sorry, guys. Well, bam. No problems, no more. All right, y'all. So just a short video today with that. It's your EGT probe, showing you how to test it, replacing that right there. And this is the same for all on your exhaust and everything like that. So probably heating everything up, driving it, getting it really hot, spraying it. Like I said, those bolts have been out before. I've cleaned them up last year. So they came out nice and easy, but most of you know some of these jobs don't go like this. And this is a 30,000 mile truck. Normally you'll do a 200,000 mile truck and they'll come out fine. Doesn't make sense, but thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. SPE Motorsport, you already know. I gotta get the Powerstroke badge right here. Still haven't done that yet, so it's like a sore dick. Can't beat it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, y'all. Now we're sauced up. 315, that's what we want to see right there. So you see it bouncing a little bit. I do have the truck running at this point. I'm just showing you again, 12. You ain't going to see nothing. It's going to be 2300, but EGT sensor 11. I give it a little pepper here too. It goes up a little bit. So, yurt.